Alright, good morning world. It is day 4. It's 51 degrees out here. I don't know what that's about. It should be about 30, but we'll take it. Let's go take a look at the barn. Oh, I hear Branch. He's talking. Let's go see if there's anybody new in the barn. Okay, we got Zara laying there. She's got 2 little girls. Both doing well. So the next thing for them is to make sure that they've nursed. So we'll keep an eye on them and see how they do. Let's go check the rest of the flock and see if we got any more pending this morning. Oh, that's exciting. Look at the babies. Oh, hey, Branch. Branch, you got play buddy. Yep. Hi. Good morning, Safari. How are you? Let's take a look out here. Oh, yeah, look at all the beached whales. Look at all the beached whales. Oh my gosh, there's a whole bunch. They are quiet. Just chewing their cud. What is Safari? Let's go see if anybody else is ready. Ashworth's right here. Yep. Joyce. Who's in the birthing corner? Good morning, Lucy. You are so ready. You are so ready, Lucy. Yeah. Is it your turn next? Yeah, I got a Rispa. Rispa's in the birthing corner. She's on our list, suspect list. And who's out here? Oh, there's Moon. Oh my gosh, she's getting wide. Okay, I'm listening. Sometimes I'll hear the babies before I see the babies. I'm going to check the pasture. Check all the way to the fence line. Who's out here? Looks like Twilight. Oh, there's quite a few out here. You way down there. So that little divot where that sheep is, they birth a lot in that little divot. I don't know why. It's just a favorite spot. Yeah, I'll check the fence line. I don't hear any coyotes. That's comforting. The coyotes can kill the babies, so I keep track. And what do we got here? Okay, right there against the blue house is another very popular birthing spot. And looking for Sophia. She's been on the suspect list for 3 or 4 days. Okay. Oh, all looks quiet. Alright, we'll go see the babies again. Alright, everyone, it is time to check the sheep again. This is more like birthing weather. It is snowing on us. So this will bring the lambs, I betcha. Alright, we'll go take a look at the barn and see what we got going on. Okay, here we are at the barn. Let's go in and take a look at the flock, see what's happening. Okay. Oh, the sheep are in. Here's our new babies. Here's Zara. And this little one, her name is now Magic. And this little sleepyhead right here, that's Aspen. She's a snoozing. They're doing really, really well. Yeah. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. What are you doing? Okay, let's go find the rest of them. Hey, Branch. Where are you, buddy? Where's Branch? Oh, there he is. He's sleeping in the corner. What are you doing, Branch? Even the chickens are in the barn. Hello, Olive. Okay. Let's go see if we got anybody birthing. Oh, sheep are covered in snow. Hello, Bunny. Bunny's one of our favorite sheep. Okay. Oh man, we are packed. They don't like the cold. They don't have any wool. So we just shorn them. Okay. Looks like we're doing alright. I'll head out the door and take a look out. Alright, let's see who's on the pasture. Not too many maracas out here. Yeah, they're smart. They went in. Oh yeah. Yeah, nobody wants to be out here. Not even me. It's snowing in my face. Alright, we're going to make this a quick check. Looks like we're all good for now. We will come back in a couple hours and check them again.